Okay, this turned out to be a 2-in-1 day. We're gonna, for the first time ever, we're actually gonna record a central air conditioner running. So if you guys will come on with me, we'll show you guys this AC we're gonna look at here. It just started up on the spin down, so we're gonna take a look at it here. Alright guys, this is the running 1995 Weatherking. This is a, I think it's a 5-ton air conditioner, I'm not too sure. But anyway guys, let's take a look at this sucker here. Here's the condenser fan running. This one's got the stamped octagon, so it's pretty cool. Here's a look at the information over here. Actually, I think hold on guys. Sorry, it's on the other side. Here's a look at the Copeland compressor. It's a CR18-K6E-PFV875. 2-cylinder. Here's a look at the information if you guys want to know. Get it for you here. There's the information right there. So yeah guys, tell me what you think. A siren test and a central air conditioner in one day? Count me in.